It is Saturday, 18th of January, and we have gathered here for our annual midwinter counts. We are counting wintering waterfowl in Lake Lesser Prespa and Lake Great Prespa. Our team consists of people from the Society for the Protection of Prespa and people working for the management body of the Prespa National Park. The lakes are served by 3 countries, and in recent years we have managed to do trilateral counts, allowing us to see the importance of the lakes for wintering birds, as we have come to know that every year they host 35 to 55,000 birds. Lake Lesser Prespa used to freeze over quite regularly in the past, but on a mild winter like this, it may hold up to 4,000 individuals of various species. It is important for pygmy cormorants that regularly winter here, and one can find a few individuals of Dalmatian pelicans and ferruginous ducks wintering in its waters.
We are participating in that event together with our colleagues. And hopefully today the bird numbers will be higher than before.
Today is January the 18th. It is the weekend in which all major water bodies in Europe are being covered for international midwinter census of waterfowls. In the last several years we have been doing this census also on the Lake Prespa, together with our partners from Greece and Albania. We usually count around 20,000 birds on Prespa Lake. It is well known for its high number of wintering water birds. This count is in 5 years now, as it has been synchronized among the 3 countries sharing the lake, the 2 lakes, Prespa. And this year in our team are members, besides from MES, also from the nature conservation organization Aquila, National Park Galičica and the Macedonian Owl Trust.